What does the future of aerial warfare look like, and what role will sixth-generation aircraft play in shaping it? The answers lie in understanding the key features of these highly advanced machines. Firstly, sixth-generation aircraft are expected to have advanced stealth capabilities. These capabilities will further reduce their radar cross-section, making them harder to detect, and therefore increasing their effectiveness in contested environments. Secondly, we're looking at integrated sensor fusion. This means that these aircraft will have advanced sensor suites that can collate data from multiple sources such as radar, infrared sensors, electronic warfare systems, and data links. This technology provides a comprehensive view of the battle space, enhancing the pilot's situational awareness. Thirdly, expect to see directed energy weapons play a significant role. Lasers and other directed energy weapons offer rapid engagement capabilities, precision targeting, and potentially unlimited magazine depth, making them a powerful addition to the aircraft's arsenal. The fourth feature is the integration of unmanned systems. Sixth-generation aircraft could serve as command and control nodes for swarms of unmanned vehicles, extending their reach and capabilities. The future of aerial warfare is likely to involve a high degree of integration between manned and unmanned platforms. Fifth, these aircraft will likely be capable of supercruise and hypersonic speeds. This means they can reach sustained supersonic or even hypersonic speeds without the need for afterburners, enabling rapid response and high-speed maneuvering. Sixth, expect to see adaptive and autonomous systems. Advanced artificial intelligence will allow these aircraft to adapt to changing mission requirements and make real-time decisions without human intervention. Seventh, these aircraft will be part of a broader network-centric warfare environment. Data sharing and connectivity between platforms will enable coordinated operations and enhanced lethality. And finally, enhanced survivability. Beyond stealth, future aircraft will employ active defensive systems such as electronic warfare countermeasures and advanced armor to enhance their survivability in contested environments. In summary, sixth-generation aircraft, with their advanced stealth capabilities, integrated sensor fusion, directed energy weapons, integration with unmanned systems, supercruise and hypersonic speeds, adaptive and autonomous systems, role in network-centric warfare, and enhanced survivability, will play a significant role in shaping the future of aerial warfare. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the capabilities of these advanced machines, forever changing the face of aerial warfare.